An open operating system is open source, meaning that its source code is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute to others. Source code is the original set of instructions written by a programmer using a high-level language such as Python, Java, or C++. Linux is an example of an open operating system. Android is technically an open source operating system too, but most commercial Android devices like Google Pixel phones include proprietary components like Google Docs or Gmail, which makes the full system not completely open source. Characteristics of an open operating system include that users have access to the source code and can see how the operating system works. The source code can be modified to suit the specific needs of a user. Development and maintenance may be led by an online community, and an open operating system is usually free, with no licensing costs for most versions. The advantages of an open operating system are similar to its characteristics. It's free to use, modify, and distribute the source code most often. Because the source code can be seen and modified, it means it's very flexible and customizable to what the user needs. There may be updates from an online community maintaining and improving the software, and it promotes experimentation to learn how operating systems work and try out new ideas. Disadvantages of an open operating system include that programming knowledge and skills are required to modify the source code. There may be security risks if someone edits the source code and redistributes it with malicious code. There'll be less official support compared to a proprietary operating system, and some proprietary applications like Microsoft Access, which is used for databases, will only work on a proprietary operating system like Windows. App developers would use an open operating system when the device their application will be used on is not tied to a specific proprietary system like Windows or Mac OS. For example, a charity making a free educational app for developing countries would most likely choose an open OS so it can be run on low-cost, older smartphones, and it can be customized and tested on a range of devices. Another example is applications for specific single-purpose systems. For example, an information terminal in a museum. Linux could be used to develop a simple user interface and remove any unnecessary features.